Hi Joe, this is Nissan from Grosvenor City Toyota. Just wanted to go over the CTS with you real quick. This is the front end of it.
Oh wait, $22.
Let's go on to the back. Let's take a look at the interior. As you can see, it's a nice vehicle, and if you have any questions, please contact me. My information will be on the email sent to you.